Hello everyone, my name is Rupali Barde. I am studying in B.Sc second year, Adarsh College, Hingoli. Welcome to all in today's online seminar. The seminar is guided by S.P. Hatkar sir. Today I am presenting problem based on Riemann integral. Show that a constant function k is integrable and integration of k dx from a to b equals to k into b minus c. Solution of this problem is for any partition p of the interval close interval a comma b, we have upper sum, that means UPF equals to m1 delta x1 plus m2 delta x2 plus dash 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 plus mn delta xn equals to k into delta x1 plus k into delta x2 plus dash 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 k into delta xn, in which the value of m1 m2 up to mn is equals to k because function is constant, equals to k into delta x1 plus delta x2 plus dash 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 plus delta xn equals to k into b minus a. Integration of f dx from a to b bar, that means upper integral equals to infimum of upper sum such that p is partition equals to infimum of k into b minus a equals to k into b minus a. Then we can find the lower sum, that means LPF equals to m1 into delta x1 plus m2 into delta x2 plus dash 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 plus mn into delta xn equals to k into delta x1 plus k into delta x2 plus dash 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 plus k into delta xn equals to k into delta x1 plus delta x2 plus dash 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 plus delta xn equals to k into b minus a. Then we can find the lower integral. Integration of f dx from a bar to b equals to supremum of lower sum such that p is a partition equals to supremum of k into p minus a equals to k into b minus a. Then upper integral equals to lower integral, therefore function is integrable. Thank you.